Hello. With today's set, I'm trying out the half moon manicure. I've seen this done before a couple times, and every time I've seen it, it was done with polish, but I wanted to do it with all acrylic because I had two specific colors in acrylic in mind. So, of course, I had to make this difficult and try it this way. So I'm starting off with this silver acrylic. It's called metallic silver. It's from CJP. And on the thumb, it was pretty simple because I already have a white crescent moon shape. I forgot the technical or medical term for those things on your nails, but I already have a pretty prominent one on my thumb. So the thumb was easy because all I had to do was just fill in that space and shape. The rest of the nails, I had to create the little half moon shape with the acrylic freestyle. And what I did was I used a smaller brush than I usually use. I think it's a 12, maybe a 14, I'm not sure, but this is an 8. And so it's small, so I picked up less acrylic, and I tried to use kind of drier beads so that I could mold it better into place. And I made the little half moon shapes on all the nails. Now to fill in the rest of the nail, I'm using Frozen Pink, also from CJP. And this part was tricky because I was trying to fill it in right up to the line of the silver acrylic, but not go on top of the silver acrylic because I didn't want to have to file that acrylic. I was worried that filing it would mess up the appearance or the shininess or the glitteriness of that silver acrylic. So I didn't want to get any of the pink acrylic on top of that. So I had to use really smaller beads and fill in the space all around there, and then fill in the rest of the nail. Alright, after filing and shaping, I went in with my top coat, and I was torn because at first I thought I wanted to do these matte. I actually made my left hand matte, and then I realized I didn't really like it, so I decided to go with a glossy finish. So I did a high shine gloss top coat on all of the nails. That is the finished set. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.